Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about something that can completely transform how you approach life, your mindset. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to radiate positivity no matter what challenges life throws at them? It's not just luck or natural optimism. It's about the habits they cultivate every single day to foster a positive mindset. The best part? These habits are simple, actionable, and can fit right into your daily routine. So, if you're ready to bring more positivity, resilience, and joy into your life, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 powerful habits to kickstart your journey toward a happier and more optimistic you. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Practice gratitude. Start your day with gratitude. Studies have shown that expressing gratitude daily can rewire your brain to focus on the positive aspects of life. Take a moment each morning to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a good cup of coffee, the sunlight streaming through your window, or a kind word from a friend. The key is to make it specific and heartfelt. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you already have, creating a foundation for positivity. Remember, where attention goes, energy flows. Habit 2. Feed your mind with positivity. What you consume influences your thoughts. This doesn't just mean food, but also the information you take in. Start your day by listening to uplifting podcasts, reading motivational books, or even watching videos that inspire and empower you. Avoid dwelling on negativity, whether it's social media drama or pessimistic news. Instead, surround yourself with content that lifts you up. You'll be surprised at how this simple change can make you feel more motivated and mentally stronger. Habit 3. Develop a mindful morning routine. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Instead of jumping straight into emails or social media, dedicate the first 20 to 30 minutes to yourself. Practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. This quiet time helps center your thoughts, reduces stress, and builds resilience. You'll notice that approaching your day with a calm and focused mindset makes challenges feel less overwhelming and successes even sweeter. Habit 4. Engage in regular physical activity. Moving your body isn't just good for your physical health, it's a game changer for your mind. Exercise releases endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones, which naturally boost your mood. You don't have to spend hours at the gym. Even a 15-minute brisk walk, yoga session, or dance break can do wonders. The key is consistency. When you make physical activity a daily habit, it strengthens both your body and your positive outlook on life. Habit 5. Practice self-compassion. Let's be real. No one is perfect. You will have bad days, make mistakes, or feel like you've fallen short sometimes. But how you treat yourself during those moments is crucial. Instead of beating yourself up, practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself as you would to a dear friend. Remind yourself that setbacks are part of the journey, not the end of it. By being kind and forgiving to yourself, you build emotional resilience and a stronger, more positive mindset. And there you have it. 5 daily habits that can help you cultivate a positive mindset and transform your life one step at a time. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Start with one habit, stick with it, and then add another. Over time, you'll see how these simple practices can shift your outlook, boost your confidence, and bring more joy into your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you unlock your best self. And let us know in the comments. What's one positive habit you already practice? Or which of these are you excited to try? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep shining and spreading positivity. See you in the next video.